Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with the Craft with Heart subscription box. This is the October layout that I'm going to show you. There are a few different subscription options. I will leave all of those down below. There's a monthly subscription, quarterly, yearly. Yeah, so that'll be all down below. This is just, I'm showing you guys what the October layout is. These are cut above kits, meaning you just need adhesive for them. You don't need scissors. I do use scissors, you'll see in other videos, but you don't need scissors. Everything's in there for you except for your photos. And these kits are awesome. Each month the kits correspond with the featured paper of Close to My Heart. So this kit corresponds with the Grateful Heart paper that's out right now. It comes with your photo placeholders, it comes with stickers, and they make it super simple. They show you exactly what you need for layout 1, what you need for layout 2. It comes with your little decorative papers, your journaling cards. Those are some little decorative strips of paper. These are little paper punch outs with butterflies and really cute flowers. So super easy, so you don't need scissors. And these are your background papers. So these already have some decoration on them as well. So these go together super fast. If you get these each month, it's a super great way to put together an album very easy throughout the year. And look, it even comes with your sheet protectors. How awesome is that? So once you're done with these, you print out your pictures and they're ready to go into an album. Super simple. And again, here are the pictures and the instructions. And I'll be making 2 videos to show the layouts. Thanks, guys. Bye.